We live in a world with way too many cables. I've got USB-A, USB-B, USB-C, USB mini, USB micro. I've got cables that don't even know what they are. But there's one more cable that you probably don't have that you might need. Hey everybody, it's Chris from Family Geekery, and today we're going to be taking a look at a cable that I didn't have, but I knew that I needed. So I found this on Amazon. So all it is a USB-C extender. So I've got a USB male on this side, a USB female on that side. They come in 3 or 6 foot long. You can grab them for a couple bucks off Amazon, and let me tell you a couple reasons why I needed this. So the first reason I needed this cable was because most desktop computers have a USB-C connector on the very back of the motherboard plate, but not many of them have a connector up on the front. So anytime I needed to connect something like a USB hard drive, a USB-C hard drive to my computer, I'd be crawling back behind the desktop and plugging it in, and then later I'd have to go back and retrieve it, and that was just a pain in the butt. So this guy right here, I can plug into the back of the motherboard and then just run this to the front of my desk, and now I can plug in my drives no problem. So all it is just a simple extender. But let me tell you a couple other reasons why we need this. So reason number 2 why I needed this cable was because simply sometimes things just don't fit where they need to. So most of my recording I do, like right now, is with a iPad Pro that's attached to a tripod. And it's got a nice fancy little case on it that hooks up to the tripod and keeps it nice and steady. But the only problem is anytime I need to plug in an external drive, like this guy right here, which is just simply a NVMe drive inside a USB-C enclosure, which is very fast, I can't plug this into the side of the iPad because the case is there. So I'd end up prying the case loose, plug this in, dump the files down that I need to edit, and then put the case back on, and that was just getting to be a pain in the butt. So if you look at this other tablet here, it'd be very similar. With the case on, this guy just isn't going to plug in there. So having this again as an extender, plug this into where the case is, nice skinny fit, and then plug your drive in here, and everything's going to work great. So similar to that, maybe you've got yourself a laptop with a USB-C connector on it, and if you plug in anything too fat in this USB-C connector, you may be blocking your USB-A in this case, or your HDMI cable. So you may be blocking something just by plugging it in. Again, having something like this to plug in, and then plug your fat device into the extension here, and then you can copy your files over or do whatever you need to do and not block up your other ports on the side. And last but not least, maybe you just simply need an extension for your charger. So you've got a charger going to the wall to plug into maybe your phone, if your phone uses USB-C, or your tablet, and you just need to get another couple feet. Now I don't suggest you use this as a permanent solution. If you really need that to be longer for a full-time hookup, then I would go ahead and find a longer charger cable. But if you just need a short little connection just to get something done, then this will work just fine for charging. So like I said, I found this on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description below. It actually came in a 2-pack. I'm going to have one full-time connected to my computer, my desktop computer, and I'm going to have the other one used to plug into my iPad Pro when I need to plug something into the side of it that doesn't fit because of the case. Let me know in the comments below if you've got a use for one of these, or if you've used one before. So thanks for watching this short, quick little video. Hopefully you found it informational. If you learned something from it, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps out our channel a lot. If you like this type of content, we post new kind of tech stuff and gaming stuff all the time. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see all of our videos as they come out. Don't forget to check out the Family Geekery Podcast. We post new episodes every Tuesday. Find that anywhere that you find your favorite podcasts. So thanks as always for watching, and until next time, peace out and geek out.